In line with the directive on public gatherings, including social gatherings, the following measures are to come into effect commencing midnight, Friday the 26th of March 2021. That the operations of bars is suspended in the counties of Nairobi, Machakos, Kajiado, Kiambu and Nakuru. Similarly, the sale of alcohol in restaurants and eateries in the 5 counties is prohibited until further notice. That all restaurants and eateries in the counties of Nairobi, Machakos, Kajiado, Kiambu and Nakuru shall provide takeaway services only. That the operations of bars and restaurants and eateries in the other 42 counties shall continue as is, but they shall at all times be conducted in strict fidelity to the Ministry of Health guidelines, failure to which appropriate action against management, staff, patrons, and premises shall be taken.